Some cities decorate for Christmas, but one city was born from it. On Christmas Eve 1741, a group of Moravian settlers gathered in a humble stable. As they sang the words, "Not Jerusalem, lowly Bethlehem," something extraordinary happened. Their leader, Count Zinzendorf, named the settlement Bethlehem, right then and there. Nearly 300 years later, the spirit of that night still lives here. Welcome to Christmas City, USA. In Bethlehem, the holiday isn't a season, it's an identity. A candle in every window, Moravian stars glowing from every porch, trombone choirs echoing through the streets. These aren't decorations, these are living traditions passed down for centuries. In 1937, Bethlehem embraced what it always was, officially becoming Christmas City, USA. But the magic started long before the name.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.
Welcome to Christkindlmarkt, where German tradition meets American wonder. A massive European market built in the shadow of the towering steel stacks that once powered a nation. Handcrafted gifts, live glass blowing, ice carving, mulled wine, strudel. This place isn't a market, it's a world. But if you prefer Christmas charms straight out of a storybook, head downtown to Christmas City Village, an intimate outdoor market lined with old-world huts, local artisans, and warm winter treats. Every night at 5:30 p.m., the city gathers for a tradition that exists nowhere else in the country. A child knocks, a door opens, and a surprise awaits. Chocolate, cookies, ornaments. No one knows until the moment arrives. Lanterns, wreaths, white string lights in every tree. Main Street becomes a glowing river of holiday warmth. Bethlehem doesn't just tell its history, it lets you experience it. Walk with an 18th century guide through the Moravian settlement. Hear the stories of the first settlers. Touch the stone walls that witnessed that Christmas Eve in 1741. Want the inside scoop? The night tour reveals the secret behind why one side of Bethlehem uses white lights, and the other side uses colored ones. Here's a Bethlehem secret. It's not just a holiday town, it's a food lover's paradise. From cozy Irish pubs to upscale tasting menus, Bethlehem's dining scene hits hard. Think the festivities end after Christmas? Bethlehem says absolutely not. That's because this city hosts PEEPSFEST, one of the largest free music festivals in the United States. 10 days, hundreds of concerts, fireworks, food, crowds, energy. From concerts and film nights to cultural events and comedy, the SteelStacks campus keeps Bethlehem buzzing all year. Bethlehem may be Christmas City, but it has one last celebration up its sleeve before the year ends. This is PEEPSFEST, a family New Year festival featuring a giant glowing 400-pound Peeps chick that drops in front of a cheering crowd. Only in Bethlehem. Where to stay and what to know. Lodging. Historic Hotel Bethlehem. Voted #1 Best Historic Hotel in America. Hyatt Place, Sayre Mansion, Romantic Bed and Breakfast. Wine Creek, Bethlehem, Casino, Shopping, Nightlife. Insider tips. Book restaurants weeks in advance. Use the parking garages. Visit both markets. Take the night tour. Stay overnight for the full effect. In Bethlehem, Christmas never feels like an event. It feels like a heartbeat. From glowing stars and ancient hymns, to fireworks, festivals, and unforgettable food. This is a city where history and celebration live side by side. Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Christmas City, USA. A place where the holiday spirit never fades.